ADD stock analysis price predictions for Wednesday. Is Color Star Technology stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this quick 1-minute video. Color Star, bearish, man. And just for context, the only thing that I'm doing here is sticking to my strategy that I've already refined over 45,000 videos in 5 years. Especially ADD and the setup that we have now. Well, we certainly just made lower lows, right? Lower all-time lows. I have no high hopes or intention. Like, look, whatever I say can definitely just... It's not that I'm not saying this thing cannot go up, but certainly just a bearish market now. Like, for me to really be bullish, and I'll be very honest with you, it must break above $1, right? For me to start buying this thing. Can I go like very high risk, high reward now here and just ball out? Sure, but this is not just a game that I'm willing to play. And again, you do you. All I'm doing here is just sticking to my strategy that I've already refined over 5 years. So that's ADD. And if you want to stay tuned and want to get free money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description, and I will continue to keep you updated.